So this would be most common for double brick homes, or not most common, but most prevalent, most impactful for double brick homes. Lightweight timber homes, sure, you will get movement, but it's normally not as big of an issue. Though we did have a case recently where there was movement in a home. It was about 60 mil over a doorway, which is huge. 60 millimeters of movement over a meter. Massive amount of movement. This is a client that really, really wanted to keep the existing home. Really, really wanted to renovate. So we took a client through the design process. So we got to a concept design of an extension and renovation. The client was really happy with. The construction team was really concerned about, basically the consequence of getting that subfloor level. Of course, if we're lifting up 60 mil, there's going to be movement elsewhere. It's a domino effect. It causes an escalation of issues. So in that case, we priced to renovate and extend, and we also did an analysis on a knockdown and rebuild. In that case, prices were about the same, within a couple of 1 or 2% of one another. The clients wisely chose to knock down rebuild. There's much more certainty with the knockdown rebuild. Still with the renovation, you just don't know what you're going to find. You can never really give certainty in a renovation extension. You can get very, very far, but there is always a higher risk, more uncertainty than a knockdown rebuild. In that case, yes, the client went with the knockdown rebuild, and it's been a really great process, really. Knockdown rebuild, the new home was built in 6 months. That was a very good project of ours. So plenty to consider there about the existing conditions.